Welcome back to Ready Set Game. We're about to clear this room. I'm shooting all the monsters. Here, have a grenade. Figure that's probably one of your favorite things, right? Are you dead? No, he's not dead. Just hard to see. Just hard to see. Pardon me. Thank you. I'm pretty sure, like, the little guys, their whole thing is, like, they're just supposed to be, like, things you can glory kill to get health back. Of course, these are always fun to glory kill, too, but... Stop hitting yourself. Stop hitting yourself. Punched him in the head. Punched him right in the head. Oh, hey, come on a little closer. Thank you. Feel like loving you. Boom, done. You're done, son. You're done. Okay, you know what? I'm really sick of your shit. Yeah, how's that? You just that guy just disappeared. Pardon me. Excuse me. Can I help you? Okay. Excellent. Slap you in the face. There we go. More shotgun ammo. Nice. Just keep using it. Bah. Can I push buttons? Push it. Oh, is that it? That's everything? Excellent. Let's keep going around this way. Get some health. Oh, I have 100% health. Don't have to worry about that. Okay. Well then. Is there a thing? There's a thing up there. I can't get up there. That's too high. How about over here? Can I climb up here? Get over here. Is there... There's a ledge here, damn it. I want to get up there. Ah. Doom, why do you taunt me so? And up there. That is so very clearly like a jump up and get me thing, but there's no way to get up there. Why doesn't my guy jump as high as superheroes? Clearly he's wearing a suit. Okay, well there's some shotgun ammo. What is... Oh. Nice. Give this... I know what it is. Give it to me. You betcha. Let's see how we use it. Over here? Oh, that's the Predator suit. I don't have any of those. Weapons? There it is. Chainsaw. Though there are no known uses for it, security personnel have been made aware that this item has likely been smuggled onto Mars and have been directed to confiscate it immediately, as there are no practical uses for it. It must be assumed that this item should be considered a black market enthusiast's weapon. Okay, fair enough. I just hit... Yeah, I get it. I hit G and the thing goes boom. Okay, we're done? Are we good to go? Alright. Thank you. Excuse me. Pardon me. You are so loud. Pardon me. Thank you. You are done, sauce. Pardon me. Can you get a little further away? You're very uncomfortably close. Pardon me. Excuse me. Hey, I got a question for you. Do you like saws? Too bad. Okay, done. Thank you. Excuse me. Ooh, hello. Gas. Did I get everything over there? Hold on. That looks like, yeah. I was like, oh, lasers. So I'm sure I'll get pushed into those eventually. Is there a thing over here? Some health over here. Alright, cool. The game definitely seems to reward you relatively well for exploring. There's stuff up there, but I don't think I can get up there yet. Oh, maybe. Wait. Yeah. Cool. Oh. Is this... What is this? Eh. Boop, boop, and armor. Oh, this is down there. I see, I found a different way to do it. Well then. Hello? Hello? Access denied. Well then, I guess I'll get some yellow security clearance, wherever that is. Alright, checkpoint reached. I have no idea. What is this? Come here. Oop. Done. Next. Oh, it's one of these things. Is it at unsafe levels? Is it really? I never would have guessed. Pardon me. Can I just take this? I'm just going to take this. Thank you very much. I know. You don't appreciate it. I'm just destroying your home. I get it. Oh, hey. Whoa. Don't be starting with fireballs already. Thanks. Need more ammo for my shotgun. Oh boy. There's some health. Hello. Health right there. Thank you. And a little more health. Appreciate it. Is there any more? Hey, hello. Hey, how's it going, guys? How you doing? Yeah. Got that. Got that. Come down from there. You're annoying. Stab. There we go. Excuse me. Whoa, hey, whoa, guy with the giant... Ah, not a good time for the nose to itch. Alright. Nope, hello. Excuse me. Pardon me, I don't appreciate you. Thank you. Hello? Hello? I need more shotgun ammo, excuse me. Appreciate you.
Demonic presence eliminated. Knockdown disengaged.
Ooh, hold on. Ugh. I still hear things, but I don't... Alright. Come on, get up there. I know that's a, like, get up here thing. Okay, cool. What is... Oh, this is the same room that I was in. I came from here. Alrighty. Well then. I guess I'll just go back to my hole in the ground. Elevator locked. Oh. Hello? Good sir? Hello? Yes? Yeah, I know you... Okay. Sure. I mean, I'm gonna call the elevator, but I'm not happy about it. Just want everybody to know. I'd rather walk downstairs, get my cardio out of the way, but no! Alright, we're open. Let's do it. Let's do push the button. Boop. Yeah, because, you know, descending elevators in a hellish landscape has never been a bad idea. Oh, I'm sorry. We're ascending. We're going up. Never mind, that's a completely different story. Hey, how's it going, buddy? Mr. Robot, what's up? So do I want to do charge burst now? I guess that's the only option I have. Alright, sure. Let's do it. He's like, I'm not gonna give it to you. And then you punch him in the face. He's like, okay, shit. And health, thank you. And card. Card? Thank you. Well, it was awfully... Shh, you are so loud. Maintenance only? You mean me, right? I'm maintenance now. I am maintenance. Excuse me. Do not appreciate all the shenanigans that you are causing. Hold on, though. Wait a minute. Locked. Okay, so... Okay, sure.
Access granted.
Thanks, bruh. Yeah, I get it.
Welcome to the UAC's Mars installation.
I don't know what the...
Located in the vast Hellas Plain impact basin. This high-tech mining and research facility is pushing the boundaries of the imagination each
Is
and
it?
every day.
Alright.
As a valiant
Ooh, hello.
employee, your loyalty is more than just a commitment to the UAC. It's a commitment
Oh, well
to the
then.
future and
This looks fun.
thank you for your service.
Heavy assault rifle. Oh, and some armor. Can I? Okay, I get it. It's a gun. There we go. Activate the weapon wheel with Q. Oh, there it is. It's over there to the right. Oh, nifty. Open the airlock. Open the lever. Pull the lever. All right, here we go. Boop. Got it. Cycling the airlock. Oh, hi. Hello. Pardon me. Just do that first. Thank you. Boop. All right. Excellent. Excelente. Come up and get me. Oh, hey, hey, whoa. Hey, whoa. Hey, whoa. You're done. I'm revoking your living privileges. Thank you. Is there any barrels over there? Oh, well. Pardon me. Oh, there's some more gas, though. Excellent. Pardon me. Oh, hey, whoa, whoa, hey, whoa, hey, what the hell is that? Get over here. Come a little closer, baby. Boom. Feel like exploding you. Guess we'll find out in a second when I have time to look at that. Kind of busy. Thanks, computer, but I'm kind of busy killing demons. Ooh, floaty red thing. Can grab that. Oh, okay. I guess. Oh my lord! I guess I'm punching things now. Yeah. Come on, give me some more stuff to punch. Yeah, up here. Go up there. No, we'll run out of time. Excuse me. Pardon me. Yep, I'm just gonna punch you in the face. Thank you. Hey, how's it going? Hello. Your heart is mine, and not in a good way. Oh, I ran out. I knew I was going to run out. Paul. Come back here. You're not getting off the hook. Boom. Nice. Pardon me. I'm stomping on your foot. You ain't going nowhere. Hello? That's a grenade. Thank you. Do I need another one? I think I need more. I need more grenades! Pardon me? I need more ammo, and you're in the way. Thank you. And I got a grenade, right? Isn't that what that is? Toy box? There we go. Oh, hey, whoa. Do not appreciate it. Yes, come closer. My headshot will be easier that way. Excuse me. Alright. Oop, the music calmed down, so I think I killed all of them. It's just how you know that scary stuff's about to happen in movies. The music comes on, you're like, oh, scary thing. Okay. And we're gonna solve the scary thing on the next episode of Ready, Set, Game.